Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery draining test in the Realme X2 device, friends, while watching the movies continuously. So it is a video which I uploaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So even on the POCO X2, which I uploaded same kind of test, playing the same movie continuously in a loop. So if you're interested, just take a look at those videos, friends. And I got the stopwatch ready as well over here, and which I'll be continuing once I begin the test. So it is a Realme X2 device, friends. So let me show you what are the scenarios I'll be choosing in this test. So number one is that I'll turn on the airplane mode here. So this is a test which I will be doing only with the airplane mode turned on and with the 50% brightness only. As you can see, I have disabled the auto brightness as well and earphones connected. And let me show you the 1080 movie what I'll be playing. And here is the video, friends, which are playing in the same movie in same other test as well, same kind of battery and test in the, as you can see, 3GB and 1080 movie. So let me show you the phone brightness as well, how much it is. So let me try to increase in the MX player. So as you can see clearly, the phone brightness is of 16 in the MX player, and let me try to choose to the 8 brightness level in the MX player, friends. So this is a 50% brightness. So let me start the stopwatch and disconnect the cable as well. So at the moment I disconnect the cable, and even the volume I set to the 50%. So overall I'll be continuing this movie continuously, friends. Again, I'll be back tomorrow morning. Right now it's 10:47. So once I'm back in the morning, I'll try to record how much the battery got drained here, so which has been playing in a loop as well. So again, I'll be back, friends. So right now you can see, friends, clearly for about 18 hours I'm playing continuously the movie, friends. So in a loop continuously, and let me show you the brightness how much. As you can see, the brightness I have used to the 50% brightness in this test. Let me show you the battery statistics here so you can understand exactly. So I am playing MX player. So you can see, friends, MX player is continuously played for about 18 hours and 14 minutes. So I did not use any application, friends, continuously today. You can clearly see. So right now the battery percent is of 10% exactly, and screen on time is around 18 hours and 15 minutes. So which you can clearly see here. So friends, you can play up to 18 hours to maybe more than 20 hours depending on the movie resolution. So if you are playing 720 resolution, the results might vary, and if you are using the more brightness, the results might vary, and if you are using the Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection, meanwhile the results also might vary. So this is the overall situation, is that where I put the aeroplane mode, and with the 50% brightness, this is how much I got with the 1080 resolution movie playback continuously. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. I'm trying to say what are the settings I have used. You guys can know what exactly I have followed. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.